Let's just check it out with Dr. Meyer, and today we're researching the Platte River ecosystem here with Dr. Scientist at David Hendrick Experience. How's your day going?
Pretty good.
Let's check it out.
Hey Jake.
What? Wait, what? Alright, Doctor. What's the most important role in this ecosystem?
Well, it's the water, because the water allows phytoplankton to survive. The water is abiotic, and the water has minerals in it, and that is what allows the phytoplankton to survive. Amen.
Good stuff, man. Alright, Dr. Scientist David, the Hendricks Experience Doctor. What comes before the phytoplankton in that?
That would be algae and other plants. They're autotrophs, as they produce their own food from stuff.
That thing sounds like crap.
Alright, so after talking about all that, what is the most important biotic factor in the ecosystem?
That would be phytoplankton, Dr. Tommy, because they are the primary producer and they lead to everything in our ecosystem. So long! Yeah.
And now for the heterotrophs. That's it. That's all I say. Cut it. Alright, Dr. Scientist, the David Hendrick Experience Scientist Doctor. What comes next in the food chain after phytoplankton?
Well, that would be insects and other invertebrates such as worms, crayfish, clams, and other crustaceans. Worms are special because they are tetrapores. Those organisms also play a very important role as primary consumers.
Is that it?
Yep.
What's the most noticeable thing in this ecosystem?
Brook trout.
Doctor, tell me, is brook trout K strategists or R strategists?
They are strategists because even though they are relatively large in size, they do not care for their young and they mass produce. And they have a short lifespan. Well, Dr. Tom Tom Bon Bon.
Alright, Doctor, tell me more about those brook trouts.
They are carnivores.
Doctor, tell me more about these brook trouts.
Well, Dr. Tommy, they are carnivores. And they like to eat insects and other things, like worms. But worms are cool stuff. The niche of the brook trout would be to lay eggs and then feed other animals after they die, respectively.
Alright, tell me how humans have impacted this ecosystem.
Well, humans are ruining this ecosystem because they are polluting the air with cars and dumping trash. This is allowing mercury to also get in the water. YOLO.
Don't.
Well, that would be insects.
Today we learned about ecosystems. Platte River. That's the end of Tommy Meyer. Check it out. Doctor with special guest. Dr. Scientist, the Hendricks Experience David. Check it out.
It's critical.